People, what's up? Saha Agency 2013 here. Do you see those clouds? This is a severe thunderstorm here. We just had one that just passed. It was like lightning, thunder, go boom. See those clouds? It's like the darkest clouds I've ever seen. Besides the one that happened in 2011. Man, this is, okay, move. I'm gonna go down to get a better view. See those? Look at that. Oh God, it's raining. Oh, God, I'm hot. Look at that. That was a severe thunderstorm right there. Oh God. It's starting to pour. It's pouring! Oh God, it's starting to rain again. Glad I got up here. Huh?
I don't know if you can get them wet or not, can you?
If you have a case on them, you can, but that was a severe thunderstorm right there. Let's go inside. Actually.
Yeah, I suppose Amy got it out until I think about the worst part bypassed already.
Yeah, the worst part bypassed already, but you know. See you guys later. That was just a quick recording, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.